Welcome to the Ultimate 2025 Guide for AI Character Creation. With AI tools evolving rapidly, creating unique, captivating characters has never been easier or more fun. Today, I'm going to walk you through the essential tips, tricks, and steps to craft the perfect AI character, whether you're designing for games, social media, or your personal brand. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to get started, plus a few pro secrets that will set your designs apart. Let's jump in. First things first, let's talk about the platform. Different tools specialize in different styles and customization levels, from photorealistic characters to stylized avatars. If you're looking to create avatars that stand out on social media, go for apps that offer high customization and expressive design features. For more detailed designs, try professional software with advanced rendering and layering options. Check out the link in the description for expert avatar design services. Before diving into details, start by defining your character's core traits, things like personality, backstory, and purpose. Is your character a futuristic hero, or maybe a quirky sidekick? Knowing this from the outset will help guide your design decisions. Think about what makes your character unique. The more defined the personality, the easier it will be to reflect that in the design. For instance, a confident, strong-willed character might have a sharper, more angular design, while a more approachable character might feature softer lines and rounded features. One key feature that makes AI characters feel alive is their range of expressions. Look for tools that let you modify facial expressions, eye movement, and mouth shapes. You'll want to experiment with various emotions, from subtle smiles to exaggerated surprise, to add depth to your character. Expressions are crucial if you're planning to use the character for dynamic content like videos or storytelling. A great tip here, create a few signature expressions that capture your character's essence. A wink, a smirk, or a determined frown can help your character become memorable and relatable. Now let's talk details. Fine-tuning aspects like hair texture, clothing style, and even the smallest accessories can elevate your character to a new level. The goal here is to make sure every element reflects the personality and backstory you've established. For example, a character who's a tech wizard could wear futuristic accessories or have a slight metallic sheen to their outfit. Details matter because they make the character more immersive and intriguing. Don't rush this stage and feel free to experiment with textures, materials, and colors until it feels just right. Want the perfect designer for your AI avatar? Click the link in the description. Once you're satisfied with the final look, it's time to export. Most AI platforms will let you export characters in different formats, so consider where you'll be using your character. For social media, choose high-resolution PNG or JPEG files. For animation, look for formats that support movement and transparency, like GIF or MP4. Take a moment to double-check resolution settings and any background transparency. If your AI character is headed for a digital portfolio or animation project, ensure compatibility with other software for easy integration. The goal here is to make your character ready for any platform or purpose you have in mind. And there you have it, your complete 2025 guide to character creation in AI. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to designing captivating, high-quality characters that stand out in any digital landscape. Ready to take your design to the next level? Don't forget to check out the link in the description for access to top-notch AI avatar designers who can help bring your vision to life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guides like this. See you in the next video.